Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I transformed my client in this video. Keep on watching. So I started the makeup by prepping her skin. I cleansed and applied a moisturizer. Then I went ahead to apply a mattifying primer. And after that, she has a line on her nose, across her nose. It's hyperpigmentation line. So I went ahead to use a concealer to conceal that first because we are going to be doing underpainting makeup. Then I went ahead to apply a bronzer on her skin, and also I used that on her nose to shape her nose area with a brush, a flat brush. Then I went ahead to contour the sides of her face and also blend in the bronzer into her skin really well. So the bronzer that I use is not dark enough to give the illusion of a slimmer nose, so I went ahead to mix in a darker shade into it just so it give me the shade that I want, because she's a dark skin client, as you can see. To add color to her skin, I am applying a cream blush and I mix red and pink together to get a shade that I really like on dark skin. Then I went ahead to highlight under eyes. That's the highest point of her face. I kind of used 1.5 shades lighter than her actual skin color because I wanted her under eye to be really bright, because that is what she requested for. Then I went ahead to use a brush to blend it out. Then when I was done with that, I mixed a tiny bit of her foundation shade on my beauty sponge and I used that to blend all the shades that I applied together, all the product that I applied together to give one color without taking out from the dimension on her skin. Then I set her under eyes, her skin, and I applied a powder shade that is perfect for her skin color all over her skin. Over to the eyes, I use a concealer as my eyeshadow primer. This is what I always use. Then I started with the eyes. So for the eyes, in the crease area, I am applying a warm, deep brown. Then I'm just going to first of all concentrate the eyeshadow into our crease area. Then to deepen it, I'm going into a deep, cool brown eyeshadow. And I'm using Annie's Pro palette. That eyeshadow is super pigmented. So what I'm doing first is to make sure that I applied enough of that eyeshadow in the crease area, and I'm taking it into the outer part. I am not winging it out. I am making sure that that place is well saturated with that eyeshadow. And also I'll be going into our lid, and I'm mixing 2 shades of matte eyeshadow into our lid. One is super bright, so I had to go ahead and dip my brush into a darker one just to tone it down a bit. To make it look like what I envisioned. Then I will just basically go back and forth into the eyeshadow palette to pick the eyeshadow until I am done with the outcome. To clean up her eyes and to make it look tidy, I am going to be applying a gel liner on the part where her lash extension meets with her lid. She has a lash extension on, so I'm just trying to be careful so I don't ruin the lash extension and I don't let the gel liner touch the lashes. Then I'm also going to apply the black gel liner in our waterline, and that makes her eye look really beautiful and everything just looks really nice and clean. So for our lips, I'm just doing something really nice, not so much. The eyes is doing the talking already, so I am going to make sure the lips looks really nice and complement the eyes. For our lip line, I use a brown lip stick. Then the inner part, I use pink and a lighter pink in the innermost part of our lips just to bring it out, and that looks really beautiful. Then I went ahead to apply a powder foundation under our eyes. This part is what I usually like to do. It gives off a full coverage look even without doing so much. Then after that, I use a glow, that's a creamy glow on our forehead to make our face look really nice, especially when you do a full coverage matte look. Adding a glow make it looks nice, and I went ahead to spray it so it doesn't move. And here is the finished look. Let me know what you think about this look down in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.